the ground shake.
What's up, guys? Coach Cody here, coming at you from Haslett, Texas, or Fort Worth, Texas. We are launching our 6-week challenge through the 116 Sweat Factory. We're excited about it. It's an awesome program. It's seen tremendous results for some of our clients. Chelsea, for example, lost a ton of weight. She's one of our coaches now. Ron has lost 100 pounds, got a lot of exposure through CrossFit.com. They did a story about him. Absolutely amazing human being and an awesome story. But our program is designed for people who are serious about making a real change in 2018. If that is you, and you know that this is something that you're wanting to do, or if you don't know, that's okay too. What we want to do is we want to find out if you're a fit for us, and if you're a fit basically for what we're doing, and if we're a fit for you, vice versa. So if you would like more information, or if you're just ready to rock, you're excited about it, fill out the form below and fill out the interview time. It'll take you to the next page. Fill out the interview time. Come and meet with me. Let me tell you what we're doing. It's going to be awesome. We're taking 20 people in our morning class, and then 10 people in our evening class. So we do have time slots for the evening and the morning people. And I'll give you all the information you need. You're going to get a meal plan. You're going to get a shopping list. We're going to take before photos. We're going to take some measurements. And we are going to make sure that you are set up for success. This program flat out works. If you're tired of the same old routine, going to the gym, getting on the treadmill, there's nothing wrong with that. Doing something is better than nothing. But typically we find that people just don't get those results because there's no accountability in that. And so we want to keep you accountable to that by providing the group atmosphere, professional coaching, hands-on coaching. We're going to be there with you. We're going to coach you through it. We're going to fight through the hard times with you. And we're going to make your goals a reality for you. That's the bottom line. Our program, it works. That is the bottom line. There is no fluff. We're not trying to fake you into something. This is real fitness, and we're super excited about it. And we're only allowing a limited number of people in, and spots are going to go quick. So fill out your interview time. If this is kind of speaking to you, fill out your interview time. Come meet with me. Meet with our coaches. It's not just me, but Coach Chelsea, and Coach Amanda. We got Brandon. We got more coaches than just me. We're really excited about 2018. We got a big plans for everyone that comes here. We love you. We can't wait to meet you and work with you in 2018 and make 2018 your best year yet.